Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Really excited to be with you today. We are going to talk about the number 1. Okay, so we're going to play a game today, and we have these cards. Okay, so this says clap, right? So if I were to say clap, this is clapping, right? So clap along with me. This is clapping. Okay, this one says legs. All right, so if we're going to do legs, then we would pat our legs, like pat our legs. Okay, you can't see my legs, but I'm patting my legs. Okay, we have chin. This one says chin, chin. Okay, so we would tap our chin. All right, so we're going to be doing this a certain number of times. So today's number is 1. So we'll be doing these 1 time. So I'm just showing you the cards so you know what they mean. Forehead, right? Forehead. Okay, so it goes like that. All right, and there's a few others. So let's try it out. I'm going to put this card. So when I put the card down, you're going to do it 1 time. So let's tap our shoulders 1 time. Ready? 1. Now when you do it, I want you to say the number as you do it. Okay, let's try another one. This one says nose. So we're going to touch our nose once and say 1. Ready? 1. Awesome. All right. Let's do the next one. This one says hair. Hair. See the picture of the hair? Okay. So we're going to touch our hair just 1 time and say 1. Okay? 1. All right, good job. All right, let's do a few more. Oh, here's a fun one. What's this one? Stomp. So stamp. So right, you stamp your feet. So this, but we're only going to do it 1 time. Okay, so you stomp your foot on the floor and say 1. Ready? 1. Awesome. All right, let's see. We did that one. Let's do the clapping one that I showed you earlier. Okay, so we're going to clap once and say 1. Ready? 1. Okay, good job. Let's do, this is a good one. Snapping. So boys and girls, snapping can take some practice. You put your thumb and middle finger together and you can snap. Okay. If that's hard for you to do, that's okay. You can clap or something else. But you can practice your snapping, okay? So we're going to snap just 1 time and say 1. Ready? 1. All right, good job. Okay, so our number for today is the number 1. So take out this piece of paper that you have. Take out this packet that you should have, okay, with you. If you don't have it for some reason, just take out a piece of paper, all right? And if at any time you need to pause the video, just hit the pause button, and then when you're ready to catch up with me, you can just join. But you should have a pencil or a pen or some markers if you want to do some coloring. And at the top of your paper, I want you to write the number 1. So it looks like this. Okay, the number 1. All right? So once you have that, we're going to draw 1 thing on this road. This says road, right? So you might want to draw 1 person walking on the street, or 1 dog, or 1 chicken crossing the road, right? It's up to you. I'm going to draw a car. I'm going to draw 1 car, and you can do what I'm doing, or you can do your own drawing. Okay, so you can pause the video now, or you can keep it running. It's up to you. Now, I'm not an artist, but I'm going to do my best, right? So I'm going to draw a car. I'm going to draw a wheel here, wheel here. Around like this. So I've got 1 car. Maybe I'll color it Blue. Who knew math could be so fun, right? My goodness. I'm going to draw a person who for some reason is purple. Let's see, maybe they're not doing a good person here. Maybe they're driving. You get their hands on the steering wheel, right? Okay, so there's one person in one car. You can feel free to decorate, color this however you want, but there should only be one object in your road because today's number is 1. It's got green tires. I mean, how silly is that, right? Maybe it's got one little ornament on the hood. Maybe it's got one like tailpipe coming out back here. Okay, but we want things in ones. Now, if you look at my car, actually, there is something that there's 2 of. Do you see something where there's 2? Even though today's number is 1, I had to draw 2 of something. Do you see it? Yeah, it's the tires. I have 2 tires. 1, 2 tires. Oh, I also have 1 sun. I'll color that in. Okay? I have 1 sun. And if you want to draw in like maybe like a little flower over here, 1 flower, you can do that. Okay? It's up to you. But we want to draw objects of just one up. So 1 flower, 1 car, 1 sun, 1 person in the car. Okay, that's the idea of it. All right, today's number is 1. Okay, so boys and girls, you can practice this anytime, right? There's lots of things that there are 1 of, right? So for example, if you look over here, I have, 1 penny, right? I have 1 Lego character. I have 1 cube. Okay? Today's number is 1. All right, great job. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.